Okay, guys, we're doing another genuinely accessible Sudoku. Today's is Middles in the Middle by Philip Newman. We're doing normal Sudoku rules, a diagonal, so digits along the indicated diagonals cannot repeat. There's like an additional region. German whispers, digits in cells directly connected by a line must differ by at least 5. Let's start. Cannot repeat, so we have 2 extra regions, basically. Okay, so let's start with diagonals, right? So we have 3 3s. So here 3's can go here, but 3 also can't go here and it can't go here. So can't go anywhere here. It can't go here. So it only go here and then here. What about 4s? We have 3 4s too. So 4s are not here. And not here. So same kind of weird pattern for 4s. They're over here. I have 2 6s. So 6s can go anywhere here. But it can't go here because it wouldn't be 5 different from here. So 6s are actually functionally just here. What other part? Okay, so 3 can only differ by 5 upwards, right? So it's at least 5. So 8, this is either an 8 or a 9. So this could be a 1, 2. It can't be a 3. It could be on the diagonal and here. It can't be a 4. And it can't be a 5. So it's either a 1 or a 2. And then here we would have to be high again. So can't be a 5 because 5 can't be on these lines because you can't have like 5 plus 5 is 10 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So it can't be a 1 or 2 because that's low. It can't be 3 or 4 or 5. It could be a 6, maybe a 7, and either 8 or 9. And then here, this could be, can't be a 3. This could be a 4, 1, 2, 4, basically. Then here we're going high again. So this can't be a 3. And it could be a whole bunch of different things, but it can't be a 3. And here, this is low again. So 1, 2, and 4. So this is a 1, 2, 4 triple. And for 5, 5s can't go here or here. And it can't go on the line. So 5 is actually only one of these places. So no 5s here, no 5s here. There's got to be a 5 here. And if you look here on this diagonal, right, we need to put a 5. But all these lines are on German whispers. And we can't put a 5 there. So the 5 has to be here, actually. The big 5. And I'm just going to, which puts this 5 here. I'm going to check this. Yeah, everything's fine. So now that we know that, so we have one, okay, and a 5 can't go here. Yeah, of course. So we have 1, 2, 8, and 9 left. So 1, 2, 8, and 9. And there's no real restrictions here. And they're non-diagonals. Okay, so next to the 4, you can only have 9 on the German whisper line. Because, yeah, it only has one partner. So it's got to be 9 here and a 9 here. I want to check that. Yeah, that is correct. And so the 9 is not going here because we just placed it. And no 9's here. Now, it can't be, this can only be a 1 or 2. So it can't be 3, 4, and it can't be a 5. It can't be a 6 or 7. It can't be 8 because it's only a 1, 2. So this is a 1, 2 pair on the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's 5 gonna go? So there's really, it can't be here. It can't be on anywhere there's a line. So none of these. There's really only 2 places for a 5. It can't go here. So this has to be the 5 on this line. And that makes these two the only places here that could have a 5. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And this one, 3 plus 5 is 8. So this can only be, this has to be the 8. Because it has to go at least 5. So this is, there's no 8 here, actually. Okay. This could still be 1 or 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6, 7. So this is a 6, 7 pair over here. So what's left now? A 1, 2, 4. A 3, 5. That's 8 and 9 that's left. This could be 8 or 9. 8 and 9 can't go here. So 8 and 9 can go here. Or go here, I think. Just kind of depends on how things go. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep going here, right? So from here, we need a high number. So it's not going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can it be a 6? It could be. And a 7. And an 8. 6, 7, 8. It's probably 6, 7, 8. And then this will go back down. So 1, 2, 3. And we'll go do this whole thing. Okay, so there's no... Okay, let's look at the logic here. So there's a 4 here, right? So since there's a 4 here, its only partner is 9. Well, it's not here, so that's fine. It could be... The 9 could still be on here, because it could be far away from some of the other digits that have to go in. Okay, that's probably not where we need to go. Let's see if we can do some more 5s. There's no 5 here or here. It's just 3 locations that there could be a 5. And for this one, There's no 5s here. No 5 is here. There could be a 5 here or a 5 here. And then the only thing that's remaining is here that we haven't noted for 5. So 5's not here, but it could go here and here. Okay. I think we're done with 5s now. Like notating all of them. 1, 2, 4, 5, and then the 4 5s. Okay, that's fine. And the 3s, we've got 3s here on the line. The 7 can only, okay. So this could be a 1 or a 2. Because it has to be at least 5. And it'll be 1 or 2. This can't be a 9. This could be an 8. Actually, it might be an 8. The only other place it could be an 8. The 8 has to be on this line, because this is the only place this line could have an 8. So really, it's only in one of these locations. And six. Okay, so this is a 6-8 pair. Because those are the only 2 high numbers left after we eliminate everything else. Because, yeah. And there has to be a 9 too. So well, there has to be 3 numbers. These 2 could be 9s. And this could be a 6-8 as well. 6, 8, 9. That's a triple over here. So that means we have 2 that are low. And it's not going to be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because those already are on the line. Okay, but these are not. Okay. So this can be a 4 can go here or here. No, actually 4s can't go here. Can't go here, can't go here. So the only place 4s can go are here. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4. This could also be 1, 2, 3, 4 because there's no other eliminations. Oh, there's a 4 here, so it can't be there. And this is a, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. I know that we have 6, 8, 9 over here. This could be 1, 2, 3. And it could be a 7 too. Is this the only place a 7 can go? No, because 7 can't go here, can't go here. But 7 could go here, and it could go here. So this is a 4, 5, 7 triple. Potentially. I mean, 1s could technically also go. Here. Here and here. 1, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, we're really close to having some more logic there, but no. What else do we know? 1, 2. Okay. 6. 6 only has one pair. It's 1. Because 6 plus 5 is going to be... So this has to be a 1, I think. And this has to be a 1. I'm going to check this. Yeah. So we're going to take these ones off over here. And a 1 off over here. And a 1 off over here and here. Now, since this can't be a 1, then this can't be a 6. And also this can't be a 6. So that just leaves 8. And then this must be the 9. And this must be the 6. I'm going to check it. Yep. And so 8. And okay. So no 6 here. So that means there's a 6 here. Let's see what else we can do with 6s now. So 6 can't be here. It can't be here or here. This is not an 8. Okay, no 6 here, no 6 here, no 6 here. Could there be a 6 here? Oh, this has to be a 2 now. This is a 1-4 pair. Now this, because this is a 2, this can't be a 6, so this is not at least 5. So this actually is a 7, which makes this a 6. And then that makes this a 1. So we have a row done now. And so there's no 1s here. We're really close to figuring out what's kind of going on in this square. 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay. So 7. Now that this has to be a 1 now. Because 4 wouldn't be close enough, so it has to be a 1. And so this has to be a 4. And 4 only has 1 pair, and that's 9 to make at least 5. So this is, these are now not 9s. And so then that places the 9 here, because it won't be here, it won't be in these two, and so the 9 must go there now. How are we doing with 9s? So it looks like here we have the 9 placed. Is there any other place this could go? So no 9 here. No 9 there. No. There. Yeah, there are still 2 places for 9s. Okay, where else? How about here? So no 9 here. No 9 here. Well, this is not a 4. No 9 here. No 9 here. So just one of 2 places for 9s. I haven't marked 3s here, but is there a reason there couldn't be a 3 here? No, any of these could be 3s. Well, no, because it wouldn't be close enough. Now there's only 1 number here, so this is just a 2. That makes this a 3. That makes this a 7. That makes this a 4-5 pair, I believe. It's not a 7. This is not a 3. Since this is a 4-5 pair, this must be a 1. And this is a 4-5 pair. It can't be a 1 or 4. This has to be a 2. No, this has to be a 1 because it's next to a 6. This actually, so this is not. This is a 1. And now this is a 5. Huh? Yeah. So 1, oh, there's a 2 left. So this is a 2-4 pair actually. And there's no 5. I'm gonna check. Uh-oh, shoot. Yep. Okay, this is not a 3. I'm gonna check again. Okay, this is not a 3. Where did I mess up? 6. This has to be a 1 though. This has to be a 1, and I know that has to be correct. Yeah. This can't be, it's only 1, 4, 5 left. It can't be a 4 or a 1, so this is actually a 5. The 5s are not here. And this is a 2, 4 pair. 5s are not here. This is not a 2. There's no 5 here. And so that means we can place this 5 over here. And now what do we have for 5s? Okay. Let's see if we can try to finish some of this now. Or here. Okay, so 1, 6, 7. This could be a 2. Well, there's no 2 here. For 2s, there's no 2 here. So these 2 are the lows, so it has to be only these 2. And 3, because, yeah, so 3 can't go there, and it can't go there. So 3 is actually already placed here. So then 3 in a corner, so that's 2. Double check. Oh my god, what am I doing? This is still right. Oh. What is happening? Am I missing something? 1? Okay, there is no 1. 1, okay. 2, 3 is here. 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. This could be a 2. And these could be 2s. Okay. Is this what's required right now? And this cannot be a 2. So we're still doing okay. 2, 4, 5. The 4s can only go here. So there's no 4 here. There's no 4 here. There's only 4s here. For the 1s, there's only 1s here. For the 2s, it's everywhere. 7. Oh, 7 is placed. It's here. That makes this a 4. So we're looking for 2. And 8. I think we know the 2 has to go here. And the 8 has to go here for the German Whisper. And I'm gonna just double check. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, no 8 here. 1, 2, 3. This has to be a 3. Another 3 in the corner. Oh no, sorry. The 3 in the corner was right. That was like, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's also a 6, 7 pair. Now this has to be a 5 because it can't be a 3 or 8. So this has to be a 5. And it's not here. So this is a 3, 8 pair. Take this 5 out here. Okay, so this line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7, 8, 9 again. 7, 8, 9. So there's only one place 7 can be. That 7 is going here. And then the 8 is going here. And the 9 is going here. Yes. Okay. Okay, in terms of 1s, I think 1 is placed because no 1 here, no 1 here. So there's only one spot. It has to be here. This can't be a 4 now because it's got a 7 and 8 and it's on the German Whisper. This can't be a 4 because it wouldn't be. It would have to have 9s on both sides. So this is a 4. And we're going to go ahead and take this 4 out of here. So this is a 2, 5 pair, which places the 4 here. How are we doing on fours? Do I have, well, this will be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have almost all of them. I think this is the one that goes in the center. That's fine. Okay. And now this has to be the 5. So it's 2. Yeah, these 5s are just not disambiguated at all. All the German whispers are almost done. I just have these 2 left. These are 2 and 3. 2, 3. And we know the order, so this will be 3, and this will be 2, and then this will be 5, and this will be 2, and then this will be 5, and then this will be 5. So this won't be 5 anymore, and we're still doing fine. Okay, how about this 1? Okay, in this box we need a 2, can't be here, so this is the 2. 1 and 8. So an 8 somewhere here. Okay. This is now not a 2. Which, okay. And these diagonals are done too. So we should be able to Sudoku our way through the end. Okay, so this is now an 8. This is a 3. So that leaves 3 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 7. And we need 2, 8, and 9. So let's see, 2, 8, 9. This is not a 2. This is not a 9. Okay, here we need a 6 and 7. This is a 6, 7 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And this has to be the 6. And so this is the 7. And 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. So this is the 9. 3, 8. So this is 8, and this is 3. So that basically, doing that, I could only have, this is not 9, so then this has to be the 2. This has to be the 1. This has to be the 8. This has to be the 9. This has to be the 8. This has to be the 1. This has to be the 9. This has to be the 8. This has to be the 2. And here we're at 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. This is 1. Oh, this is 1. This is 6. This is 7. Yeah, that's fine with the whisper line. 6. And this is a 2. Then we got one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. Nice. That was a really nice set. That took me 30 minutes. It really should not have, but it was a good watchable Sudoku. I had a little couple of bloopers over there because I didn't fully mark out. But yeah, anyways, thanks for joining.